Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how proof points work in Octave and how you can automatically embed the right proof points in your messaging regardless of who the recipient is. So here's our library where if you scroll down, you'll see the section for proof points right here. So this is a sample workspace for Stripe, so we're just going to drop in one of their proof points. We're going to click Add New, and we're going to make sure the proof point's linked to Stripe, and we're just going to drop it in right here. This one is about 40% fewer failed payments, something like that. But whatever proof point that is not necessarily a reference customer, but more so like a proven benefit for the service or product that is essentially intended to show credibility. Cool. So just like any library element, Octave is going to spin this up automatically, and you can go in and refine it by chatting with it. Let's say if you want to change things like what to focus on, how the proof point shows credibility, things like that, you can just chat with it using the refine feature and then confirm the changes if they look good. Next, just a bookkeeping thing. When you're setting up a playbook and you want the proof points in the messaging that this playbook's going to guide, you're going to want to have include proof point selected. So by default, it's just include reference. So let's say you don't want to call out specific reference customers, but you do want to call out specific proof points that talk about more general problems that the product solves. So you can deselect include reference, make sure include proof point selected, and select all the proof points that are going to match the direction you're taking with your playbook. Finally, let's see how the correct proof points are mapped in when we run a sequence agent and get some actual copy going. So as you can see here, it brought up the proof point of cutting tech debt by up to 60%. So looks pretty good. So in the case that it doesn't grab a proof point, that probably means that it didn't find a good enough match. So if you really want to include a proof point, you can just drop in a custom instruction to force it to include one and it'll listen. Like I just said here, include proof point most relevant to company, and that should do the trick. And that's proof points. Hope that helps.